It's the year after Rudolph saved Christmas by guiding Santa's sleigh through the stormy night with his glowing red nose. Fame has completely gone to his head. Now, Rudolph spends his days lounging in the North Pole Reindeer Lounge, sipping carrot juice and signing autographs for starstruck bunnies and squirrels. Step aside, Dasher. The real hero of Christmas is here, Rudolph says, strutting into the stable with his nose glowing brighter than usual. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and the rest of the reindeer are annoyed. They whisper among themselves, "He used to be so humble. Now all he does is brag." Meanwhile, Santa watches from his office and shakes his head. "This reindeer needs a lesson," he mutters, sipping his hot cocoa. As Christmas Eve approaches, the workshop is buzzing with activity. Santa's elves are working overtime, and the reindeer are preparing for their annual flight. But Rudolph isn't helping. He's too busy hosting a Meet Your Hero event in the sleigh garage. While Rudolph basks in the attention, a sudden snowstorm brews outside. The wind howls, and the elves rush to Santa. "The storm is worse than last year," one elf cries. "We'll need the sleigh ready early." Santa calls the reindeer to assemble, but Rudolph arrives late, still wearing his sunglasses. "Relax, Santa," he says, polishing his nose. "I've got this." The other reindeer roll their eyes. As the storm worsens, the reindeer take their positions. Rudolph insists on leading the team, but his overconfidence backfires. "Follow me," he shouts, charging into the storm. But Rudolph doesn't pay attention to the flight plan. He gets distracted by his reflection in an ice cloud and leads the sleigh straight into a snowdrift. The sleigh crashes, and toys spill everywhere. Santa facepalms. This is a disaster. The other reindeer look at Rudolph, fuming. "Maybe if you weren't so busy admiring yourself, we'd still be on track." Prancer snaps. Rudolph realizes he's in trouble. Realizing the situation is dire, Rudolph swallows his pride. "I messed up," he admits. "But I need your help to fix this." The other reindeer, though frustrated, rally together. "Let's do this for Christmas," Dasher says. They work as a team to reload the toys, untangle the sleigh, and map out a safer route. Santa nods approvingly. "This is the Christmas spirit I was waiting for." This time, the reindeer work together perfectly. Rudolph guides the sleigh, but he listens to input from Dasher and the others. They dodge storms, navigate tricky clouds, and deliver all the presents just in time. When they return to the North Pole, Santa congratulates them. "This was a Christmas miracle, and it happened because you worked as a team." Rudolph smiles. "I learned something important today. Being a hero isn't about doing it all yourself. It's about working together." The other reindeer cheer, and even Rudolph's nose shines brighter than ever, but this time, it's from pride in his team. Moral of the story: true greatness isn't about shining alone, it's about shining together. Teamwork and humility can make even the biggest challenges manageable.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more such stories.